Hi guys. Hey everyone. Happy New Year. So we're here on the eve of the 2022 New Year's. 2021 has come to an end. We are on the last day of the year, and I just wanted to say hi to all of you and wish you all a very happy New Year. Also check what are your plans. What is everyone doing? Because the situation has kind of turned a little grim last few days. Just when we thought things were returning absolutely back to normal, uh, we have hit this new thing. So yeah, I mean, I'm not having any particular plans for partying or anything. But what are you guys up to? And any resolutions for New Year? What are your plans for today or for tomorrow for 1st of Jan? Vipin, Happy New Year. Rustum, Anil Chopra, Kevin Ryan, Matthew P. Daniel, Satish M.K. Kumar, Happy New Year, all of you. Billa Kannan, Kalyan Prasad. I'll try and take as many names as I possibly can. I want to reach out to all of you and I really want you guys to have an amazing New Year. Seriously. I think 2020 was quite tough and 2021 was better, but definitely better than 2020. But 2022 has to be the best. It has to kind of compensate for the last 2 years. I think there is a lot of happiness owed. I mean, due to a lot of people who deserve happiness, the whole world does, honestly. So, wishing all of you all the possible happiness, the best possible year ahead, lots and lots of blessings from my side. Hi, Jay. Thank you. Hi, Mahinder. Maqsood Alam, hi. Good evening. Amardeep Thakur. Karna, Nishant. Hi, Vincent. Happy New Year. So tell me what are your plans for today? First, if you have plans, if you don't have plans, guys, I just want to make a point. It's absolutely fine if you choose to stay at home, which is what I'm doing. And, just eat some good food, watch something good on TV, spend time with family or friends, or it doesn't have to kind of be some big plan, really, where you're going out for a party or it's some big deal. Uh, Even these New Years are absolutely great, legit, lots of fun sometimes. And, yeah, that's my plan for today. So I also want to believe it's the best plan since it is my plan. Deepak Chavla, Ram Prashant, Happy New Year. Hi Madan, hi Nitesh, Akineni Janardhan. How are you doing today evening? You don't have a girlfriend. It's B Hafiz. You don't need a girlfriend to have a plan. Okay? For New Year's. You can have fun even if you're single, guys. Yes, 2022 you guys will see me for sure. I intend being seen a lot more. Doing a lot of films and kind of being in touch with all of you. That's my one of my resolutions among several for the coming year, and I intend to pursue it. You're going to temple, that's beautiful. Please pray for me, Prashant Naidu. I'll pray for you too. I think that's a brilliant thing to go for New Year's. To the temple or a place of worship, or even if you're just meditating or something, that's also very beautiful. And I think it can set the tone for the year. Where you want to start the year on a good note and hi Dilip. Paulo Farias, Happy New Year to you. I don't understand what you're saying, but Happy New Year. Much love. Hi Santi. Amir Khan, hey, how are you? Vicky Vignesh, hi. Murugan Durai, Satyajit Deshpande, Sham BM. Amazing, so good to see all of you. It makes me so happy to interact with you guys. So this is, I'm guessing this is from all across the country. We have people from all across the country. Sundareshwan, Suresh Kittusamy, Shashidhar Sharma, Mastan, Banu, Ranjit, Prakash Wood, Ranjam Kumar, Praveen Kumar, Lakshman Lax. What's my memorable moments this year? Oh, what what should I say? I think going to set and shooting for Pato Patam Notandu, it was for sure very, very special because, last year was so extreme. I can't remember what restaurant it was, but the first meal I had this year outside, going to a restaurant, sitting and eating, and then meeting up with my family. I was in Pune for almost 2 months this year, and I just spent and did nothing at all for 2 months, and it was beautiful actually. I think this year the simple moments were the special moments because we didn't have it last year. 2020 made us revalue a lot of things in a different light and gave us different perspective of what's really important. So I can't recollect one particular moment, but a lot of simple things that I did for the first time, they were great this year. They felt like new, and I promise never to ever take it for granted again. Mustaq Ali, hello. Thank you. Sonu Pawar. Natya, happy birthday. If you're listening, wish you a very happy birthday. Nadia. Okay. Thank you, Dilkush, Srinu. Amjad Ju, thank you. Lots of love back to Kerala. I love Kerala. So thank you for the love. Thank you for the good wishes. Sudhir Jaishankar. Vignesh, thank you so much. Ronnie Bara, Mohandas, thank you. Guys, some of the comments I cannot read out. They are not decent. But Ramesh Kopar, thank you so much. George Joseph, thank you. You're waiting because of Omicron. Like you're waiting for Omicron. Are you hoping it'll go by next year, which is tomorrow? Yeah, let's hope it's gone. It's not fun. It's ruining everyone's plans, and God knows you guys deserve a lot of fun. So let's pray for a really normal world back again, where we all can be like how we were. Meet up when we want, and no Omicron, no nothing. Have lots of fun. Tawhid Usman, Aniket Kamble, Shiva. Nirupchan Nayak, Kompan Durai, Happy New Year. Oh, you were in Tambikote. How nice. How are you doing? I hope all well with you.